is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Herndon, Virginia. Everything is coming along really well. We still have the old felt paper that we have to remove and replace. Once the roof is stripped, any plywood that's damaged can be removed and replaced with new. Instead of using the old asphalt felt paper like they have on this roof now, we'll be using synthetic underlayment. Also, we'll be fully adhering ice and water shield to the valley. The flashing around the chimney has already been removed, and then we'll be installing new counter and step flashing. So everything is coming along really well. Now I wanted to show you something. When the men strip off the roof, they carry the debris over the front, so hardly any debris is hitting the ground at all, as you can see. And here he's just rolling up the old felt paper. But here you can see this roof is already stripped. There's hardly any debris here. And on the deck, there's a little bit, but hardly anything here as well. Now let me take you around the front. I'll show you what's going on there. See, no debris even on the grounds here on the side. See, the debris from the back is still on the roof here, and they're just throwing it into the dump truck. Take a look at the ground here. To me, protecting the grounds and making sure there's no damage to the property is just as important as the installation of the new shingles. So he's carrying the debris from this side over here and walking it across. Once the roof is completely stripped, then we're going to install the synthetic underlayment and the ice and water shield. And the type of shingle that we'll be installing is called Certainty Landmark, and the color is Heather Blend. It's fairly similar to the shingle that's on the roof now. So here comes another welcome coming across. Now the architectural shingles is a great roof, but just like with anything else, it is only as good as the contractor who installs it. And if the shingles are not fastened perfectly according to the manufacturer's specifications, not only will the shingles blow off with even 40 or 50 mile per hour winds, but they could develop leaks at the flashings. And here you can see this roofer, he's stripping the shingles and he's making a pile. So once that pile gets big enough, he's going to walk it across and throw it into the roof. And again, see, there's no debris. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Herndon and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446.